Hello everyone and welcome back to our Python learning journey. So far, Alex learned how to store data, work with data structures, and compare values. But programming is not just about storing data. Real programs need to make decisions. They need to answer the questions like, should this code run or not? Is the user allowed it or denied? Is the value is valid or invalid? And this is exactly what we are going to learn today. Today's topic is conditional statements. So let's begin with Alex again. Alex is now trying to build small real world programs. But he notices a problem. His code always runs the same way every time. No thinking, no choice, no decisions. Alex asks, how does Python decide what to do and when? The answer is simple. Python uses conditions. Conditional statements allow Python to choose between different paths. They help Python to answer if something is true, do this. Otherwise, do something else. In Python, we use if, elif, and else. These keywords help Python to think logically. Alex starts with the simple condition. If. The if statement checks a condition. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. Here, what happens? Python checks the condition. If it is true, the message is printed. If it is false, Python skips the block. Simple. This is how decision starts. And Lex notices Python does not use curly brackets. Instead, Python uses indentation. Indentation tells Python these codes belongs here. Both lines runs only if the condition is true. Wrong indentation can break logic. So this rule is very important. Now Alex wants to handle both cases. What if the condition is false? That's where else comes in. Here, one block always runs, either if or else. This gives Python two clear choices. Alex realizes something interesting. We use if else logic in real life all the time. Examples: if it rains, take an umbrella. Else, go normally. If password is correct, then log in. Else, show error. Conditional statements make programs behave like humans. Now, Alex faces a bigger problem. What if there are more than two conditions? This is where elif is used. Elif means else if. Python checks conditions from top to bottom. The first true condition runs, the rest are skipped. Alex learns an important lesson. The order of conditions is very important. Python stops checking once it finds a true condition. That's why most specific conditions should come first and general conditions should come later. This avoids logical mistakes. Alex now connects old concepts. Conditional statements often use comparison operators and logical operators. Here, AND combines conditions. Both must be true. Conditions become powerful when combined logically. Alex notices common mistakes beginners make, like perverting the indentation, using single equal to sign instead of double, wrong condition error. These mistakes don't mean you are bad at programming. They are a part of loving. Alex now understands the big picture. Without condition, programs cannot decide. Apps cannot respond. Systems cannot validate the input. Conditional statements are the brain of a program. They control the flow, logic, and behavior too. At the end of the day, Alex feels confident. Now he knows how Python makes decisions, how code chooses paths, how logic controls the execution. This is a major step forward. In the next video, Alex will learn about nested conditional statements. We will see conditions inside conditions, real world decision trees. Until then, practice small examples, experiment with conditions. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.